As a leading home improvement brand, Muzata has been developing products for cable railing systems and lighting systems for over several decades. We offer a one-stop solution for home improvement, including a complete set of railing system products such as handrails, posts, cable railing kits, accessories, etc. for railing systems, as well as lighting systems that meet various scenarios and functions. There is also a mature supply chain, advanced research and development techniques, multiple patented technologies, and customized design services. By leveraging technology and innovation, we continuously refine our products, striving to make home renovation easier and better. We fully endorse that an enterprise has to contribute to the sustainability of the environment. Thus, we are proud to be a member of 1% for the Planet organization. Throughout the history of Muzata, we have helped millions of families with their lighting and cable railing projects. Muzata. Build an easy life.